Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance frame. The song is Beat Out the Frame by the artist DJ RL Club Remix by Sissy, Knobby, and the choreography is Maria NESBITT-WINBUSH. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this dance. I also want to give a shout out to everybody that's supporting the NOLA Southern Experience July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. We are sold out. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. Let's go. And there you go. Frame. That's called frame. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.